Hi guys, this is VMX Guy 126 and I'm at MX Girls 56 then. And today I'll be doing an adventure, but I just wanna see if anybody like famous is on. Well, I have Dr. Gas, I have Bepper's Den, probably Bepper's on.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. Yep. And I want to see if Julian 2's on. He's probably not. He's probably not.
For sure. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. What about Lilac Petal? Is she
on
still on vacation?
Nope. Got back a long time.
Nope.
Okay, so let's go on the adventure time.
So there's nothing really to talk about. It takes a while to go to the adventure, so I guess we'll talk about what? Glitches?
Guys, how about we pause it? We're gonna pause it until it loads, and then we'll start the video back up whenever we get into a room by ourselves. So
Okay.
Just wait, and we'll be back in a minute.
Okay, we're back, and I just got into a room. Hey, wait!
The glitch again.
Oh,
no,
thank God. Oh.
There was a glitch whenever we were recording last.
Okay, well, I'm gonna use the arrows because it's a lot faster.
I suck with it. Make sure there's. Oh, okay. What?
Okay, come on, no glitch, no glitch. Yes! Yes, no glitch. Oh yeah, because the water. The water was blue, but we never even finished the corks. Let's come over here, come over here, come over here. You wanna try the glitch?
No.
Okay.
But there is a glitch if you have a really slow computer, you can just run through the wall.
I'm gonna try it though. Okay. This is how I learned from somebody. Okay. If he has a really fast computer too, so you go by the rocks right here, and you just use the right arrow and you go right through. It takes a while. Oh wait. Okay. Ah. I don't know. Ah.
I'd say you need to slow down.
No, he has a fast computer.
Okay, let's just do this stuff.
I don't want to. I think we need a hop. Dance. I'm gonna try it this way. And then play. And then let's try it. Oh, I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna pause it until we get through, okay? So, and we
Okay.
got through YouTube.
Hey, we got through. And I just got killed by a fan too. Bad news.
We didn't even get the
You don't need it.
Oh, I thought you did.
Oh, there's the key. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get a pirate sword. Well, something. You get the keys and
I like using this mouse.
yeah, it's awesome. I like the yellow circle. I don't know why. No. No, don't go that way. That's why.
Yeah, but then you kill the phantom. If you die here, I don't know. Oh,
We're not gonna pause it anymore. Probably. We never know. We never know.
Bunny order.
Oh, yeah. Dangling.
You don't dangle them.
Do to me.
I can unlock 2 bunny things with 1 key. I did it before. Oh. Oop.
Did you try it again? Oh, come on.
No, I like just clicked in the middle and I unlocked both of them.
Really?
Okay, go down here.
Wait,
Over.
I want to see if there's some. Do
No.
sometimes
No.
one right here?
No, there isn't.
Never mind.
There's only where you got it, up in the corner where there's usually one where the 3 phantoms are, or over there. Okay, go down, go to the side.
I know. Do I have to go through this thing?
Yeah. Go up,
I know, it's over here.
down. I go up, down, up.
Get it quick, quick, quick.
Escape! Escape! Run!
And I never even died.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna, yes.
We forgot about that.
Too bad we didn't get all of them chasing me. Yeah, there's this order that we do. Do you want to tell them? You might as well.
Jack, Snowball, Daisy, Oliver, Rita.
Yeah, okay. It goes Jack, Snowball, Daisy,
Oliver,
Oliver.
top left.
Yeah, we usually go top left because we get something good. But you want to do top right this time?
Top left.
Because we never get something that good in top left anymore.
Okay.
Let's try top right. I'm gonna do it.
No.
Okay.
Oh my, fail.
Fail.
Fail. Yeah.
No, I just want to see if there's one up there.
No, there's not. There's an order that. Okay, go. It's not in there. I told you.
Wow.
But nobody listens. It's over there. Let me do it. Show you
No.
I
just want to try over here. I just want. Oh,
There's none up there. There's either one by Daisy, one up there where you said, or one where we got it at the first. Go, go, go. Go.
Go like Sonic, get it, get it. Where you going? Oh, that was pro skills.
Yeah, but we're using 2 players.
Yeah. 2-player worldwide.
Ooh, it's already at 7 minutes.
Oh well.
Oh well. And we even paused it, YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do Oliver Daisy. I'm totally doing top left.
What? That you said
No, top right. I mean. I want to see what I get.
Sonic. Gotta go faster. Sonic X.
Yeah, a while ago, after we're publishing the video on YouTube, and then there was this random spider.
It just went and scared us.
We're not scared of spiders, people.
It was huge though.
Yeah, it was huge.
It was like the size of the Phantom.
Seriously, it was.
Yeah, it actually was.
Dang.
Oh no. I didn't get it. I didn't get it.
If you logged out on me, I'll be so mad at you. You would have to give me your mummy glove.
No, I wouldn't. I don't have any more. So
Yeah, you
I have
do.
2. I have 2.
You have 2. Okay. Oh.
Me and my cousin got scary bats from doing Jack.
Really? You can't do Jack.
Yeah, there was a glitch and they were all Jacks.
Okay, top right.
Dun dun dun.
Clover blanket. Let's see.
Now
Let's try that again. Let's try. Aw, you wanna go? I'm going to get that Arctic Wolf thing.
Oh my.
Should I? YouTube? No, I shouldn't. Should I?
We'll pause the video while we do. Dun dun dun.
Oh, farmer. It's pink too. Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Okay, let's go back through the door. OMG, the door shut. Let's leave. Leave our progress.
Wait, I need a clover blanket to do your look, right?
Yeah, but
What's over here?
nothing.
No, I just want to say, oh yeah, last time you
No.
saw yours.
Da-da. Yeah.
Okay.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi to the... Oh, come on.
Say hi to the cam. We're
Wait, don't write anything.
no.
Recording. Recording. Say hi to the cam. Hi, people. Alright.
That's all for this video, guys. And we're going to end it at exactly 20 seconds. So,
See ya.